You will not catch me staring at the sun, not sucking on a dum-dum, not turning round to run. No hallelujahs and no kingdom comes, so you will not catch me staring at the sun. Do you hear that thunder? That's the sound of strength in numbers. Fee, fee, fi, fi, fo, fo, fun. I smell the blood of 1,000,000 sons, 1,000,000 daughters from 100,000 guns, not taught by our teachers on our curriculum. Do you hear that thunder? That's the sound of strength in numbers. I am unified. Hey. Not a single thing has ever been mended by you standing there and saying you're offended. Go ahead. Tell them what I've intended. I'll say what I mean, do what I love, and fucking send it. Do you hear that thunder? That's the sound of strength in numbers. It's nothing brave and nothing useful. You scrawling your aggro shit on the walls of the cubicle, saying my racing classic suitable. So I raise my pink fist and say black is beautiful. Do you hear that thunder? That's the sound of strength in numbers.